What's up, everyone? I just wanted to real quick talk about how I set up the color palette for this creature from the Black Lagoon skateboard. So I spray painted the whole back in this light blue, and then you can see the way I set up my color palette here. It kind of goes from my middle tone, the base green that I laid down on top of the light blue, and it'll go darker here, and then I have my lighter tones up here. So I started laying in that nice middle tone green on top of the light blue throughout, darkening up the bottom as I went to kind of get some, light to dark transition in the initial base color. Then I started mixing up more of these lighter greens with a little bit of this kind of turquoise color for most of the initial layers. Since he's underwater, I really wanted the blue and green to stand out, so I wanted the whole board to kind of have this more blue-green vibe. I did, however, throw in a little bit of yellow on the middle layers just to add a little extra depth and some extra interest to the textures I was trying to create throughout. After I got a good solid base of colors built up, where it's really showing all the form between, his forehead, the different wrinkles and everything like that, I came back in and I strengthened up all of the black lines again. And I added a lot of this little detailing in here, the smaller acrylic pen, and I came back with the white for the highlights to kind of make some areas pop, especially in the eyes and his lips, the teeth here, which I for some reason really like the way the mouth came out. But yeah, just a quick look at the whole board. Got the dark colored seaweed down here, which was again a mix of green and blue, so it's a very dark greenish blue. And then we have the light kind of reflecting through the water at the top of the board, which was just white on the blue background, and that made for a very nice little texture and feel there of the light coming through the water. So again, just wanted to kind of go over the color palette and how I had it set up and how I mixed my colors. I'd love to go more in depth on this in the future, so I plan on doing that. If there's anything else you might want to see or have questions about, just drop a comment. I'd be happy to share some more insights. Take care, everyone.